News, guys, the latest model Seedance 2.0 is launched. And this model allows you to create images and videos, stunning images just like what you're seeing here, cinematic for your storytelling, whatever you want to create with it, and they give free credit. Guys, now that it's still new, I will always say jump on it and start creating. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can use this new latest model. Now, this is the interface, beautiful interface. The moment you log in, the moment you sign up into Novi AI, remember it's Novi AI. Seedance 2.0 is a model, okay? So once you sign up, you are liable to have up to 80 free credits. So right now, I've been able to use some of the free credits, 50 free credits, and the remaining 30 free credits there that you are just seeing there, right? So with this 50 credits, I was able to generate the video you just saw in the beginning of this video. Now they are still new. I will advise you up on it and utilize the opportunity, okay? This is the interface of once you sign up, okay? The moment you sign up, you want to log in. This is how the interface looks like. Then you go ahead and start creating. Just go there and try now. The moment you try now, you will have access to 80 credits. That 80 credits enables you to create one video. That's the sad news, okay? The sad news is just one video that is able to create. That means if one video is 50 credits, okay? So that 80 credits enables you to create at least. So now that you still have access to it for free, you have access to the premium version, like premium features. Please up on it and start creating amazing videos, okay? And I'm going to show you in this video another method you can use, okay? If you cannot use this to generate more videos, this one is additional alternative that is the best for free. Okay, so head over to your ChatGPT and get all your prompts. Prompt your image, prompt your image to video. Do you understand? For animation, get it ready because we are going to create something now. Copy your image prompt. Let's generate our first scene first. You copy this and you come here and you open this website here, Queen AI. All right, now once you open Queen AI, it's going to pop up the first one. I don't know which one is in your own, but I've used it before, so you can go ahead and open it if you've not signed up. Now if you already signed up, you're going to log in. Then if you're already logged in, you're going to see something like this, right? You're going to see try Queen chat. All right, so we have ask Queen no more. So this is how the interface looks like, exactly the interface. So if you're going to see image edit, thinking, search, artifact. What we are looking for is video generation. So you're going to head over to click that video generation and it's going to pop up. If you don't know, if you want to use this exact prompt that I use here, just comment in the comment section below. You need the prompts, please, and I will drop it for you. You want to set your aspect ratio from here. So what I'm using is the landscape, which is 16:9, and what you'll be using depends on you. Once we copied, right, both the image prompt and the animation prompt, please pay attention to this part. So you want to paste everything here. All right, now remember we have our image prompt. Yes, our image prompt is here, just for you to know, and then this is animation prompt. All right, is okay, right, just for the purpose of this. So go ahead and send it. The moment you send, it's not going to take time. So before I continue from here, let me tell you what I love about this particular AI. This actually is very, very smart. I mean, the image quality is so hyper realistic. That is, if you use the right word in your prompting, don't use animate this, but rather you could use ultra hyper realistic or realistic video or images. Use words like that, because most times if you use animate, it might lead to produce images that looks like really AI. Of course, the robotic and robotic movement you're going to see, but when you use realistic, it's going to give you something like human, like real. Do you understand? So pay attention to those words that you use while you're prompting, so you have the desired result. So while we are waiting for the image to generate, we are going to head over to generate our voiceover. I'm going to use Google AI Studio. I'm going to have an interface like this. Now I'm not going to, now the moment to generate your voiceover, remember you're going to you're going to assemble all your images and videos in your editing tool, and you add your voiceover, edit them. If you want to know detailed way of doing all of these things, let me know in the comment section, because I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I have to cut it this way, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Then you come here, you're going to say mode, you're going to select single speaker because it is a voiceover. You're going to head over to your ChatGPT. Said if you need all of these things, just let me know in the comment section. So I already have the voiceover here. I'm going to select everything. All right, everything will be selected. Last thing that is here, including the voice delivery, right? Yes, I'm going to cut this part out, and including these sync tips. This is good. Do you understand? Awesome. So this is what you are going to copy. Take it to the Google Studio and you're going to paste it here. Beautiful. So this part away, remove this part, match the voice with visuals. Okay, it's here. Cut out this part and place it here where you have this read loud. Okay, paste it here because this is how you want the voice to sound. Do you understand? Here you are going to head over to these settings and select this voice that we are going to use. This voice is very perfect for cinematic scenes like this. So I think let's use this one, breathy lower speech. Okay, let's see how this one sounds. Okay, so when you're done, you're good to go, you go ahead and run it. Whoa, so while we are waiting for it to generate, let's head back to our Queen AI and see what came out. Beautiful. So let's play and see what actually Queen was able to animate for us. So let's play it.
It's not too late to stop it.
Always upload the image. Okay, now you want to upload file. Okay, upload the file. That uploading of file is to maintain consistency. Don't worry, let that one generate. So I will show you what I'm trying to say. Let's assume this is the image you want to use. So every time you want to generate, this is the two images, okay, that I want to use. So you upload the image and place it here, and then go ahead and drop the prompt. But before that, let me play this one and show you what it feels like. You see, there is no consistency in the character. Remember, the first one is not looking like this. So for us to maintain consistency, but let's play and see. This is amazing, but this is not what we are looking for because there's no consistency at all. So for us to maintain consistency right from the scene one, you make sure you upload your image and place your prompt. Head over to our Google AI Studio to hear the voice.
The city was already falling, but no one knew it yet. One signal, one warning, and everything was about
that to happen is because of this tone that we put in: deep, cinematic, controlled, bass, slow, medium. You understand? All of these contribute to the outcome. So when you are producing your voiceover, always make sure, or when you're recording your voiceover or your voices, make sure you add the emotions attached to the what you are creating to give you that human feeling. Do you understand? So when you are done and you're okay with it, go ahead and hit this download button and you're good to go. Perfect. So you can see it has given us using the exact picture. Can you see this? Awesome. So you download it. I said anything you want to achieve, it all boils down to your prompts. Generate the scene one using the reference image. Read the scene one, that's scene two. Let's generate. Time you want to generate something that relates to the same character, use the same character image. When the character changes, you change the character. Do you understand? So that is the idea of using images for consistent character. But if it is automation is very simple. You don't have to, this is so much stress, and I'm very certain you don't want to really stress yourself that much. So let's go copy our animation prompt for scene 2.
The city was already falling, but no one knew it yet. One signal, one warning, and everything.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop me a comment. See you in the next one.